Three people were found dead in a home in Nahant. It appears there was a carbon monoxide leak there. NBC 10's Manoj Kwangari has been there for us live all morning. Manoj, good morning to you. What do you know about the individuals who passed away there?
Well, I can tell you that they were all family members. And in fact, I just got off the phone with officials who would not say for certain how they died, saying that we're going to have to wait for the autopsy report to tell the full story. And while we wait for that, I can show you this is the house right here on Cottage Street where the family was found. Firefighters say as soon as they entered this door, they were met with dangerous levels of carbon monoxide.
Shocking. It's hard to believe.
Ted Mahoney's next-door neighbors found dead minutes before he went to bed Monday. It's still something he's trying to wrap his head around.
I haven't seen him all weekend, and I didn't see him shoveling snow, and I usually see Johnny out shoveling snow.
Nahant police say they were asked to conduct a wellness check on the Cottage Street home Monday evening. But when they showed up, no one answered the door. A step inside, and they found three adult bodies, all family members, unresponsive. They were pronounced dead. Mahoney says he's known the family since the 1950s.
I just brought a Christmas present over to him on Christmas.
I almost fainted because I know these people. Great people. The grandmother that lived there was our French teacher in school in Nahant. That's how long we've known those people. And the husband was a great guy. Of course, they've passed on, but nice people.
According to Nahant firefighters, elevated levels of carbon monoxide was found inside the home, though police have not yet said if that is the definitive cause of death.
There's been some problems. I've seen the gas company over there a couple of weeks ago, but I have no clue what happened.
Well, as you can see, police still investigating, and in fact, they're working now with the Nahant Fire Department and the Essex County DA's office to get to the bottom of this investigation. The second more information is made available, we'll be sure to keep you guys updated. But for right now, reporting live here in Nahant, Manoj Kwangari, NBC 10 Boston.